I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the compressor is powered and unlocked. You do not need to cycle power yet. Once the panel is accessible, verify model and firmware so you use correct menus. Make sure the emergency stop is released and wear PPE. You'll open the control door and remove the cover screws with a flat screwdriver. Then locate the Sigma Control display and connector block. This immediate access step saves time when entering menus, so don't skip it. Now you enter the Sigma Control menus. Press Menu, then System, then Service. You select Reset and choose either Reset to Defaults or Factory Reset if persistent faults remain. You confirm the compressor model on screen to avoid mismatches. While the reset runs, monitor the display and LEDs. Make sure alarms clear in sequence. If prompted, re-enter network or language settings. Once complete, the controller will prompt for restart. Perform that restart to let all parameters reinitialize correctly. After reset, restart the compressor and run a controlled test cycle. You watch pressure and temperature rise to set points while checking for unusual noises. Make sure alarms reset and that the unit reaches normal duty without tripping. If a fault returns, record the specific error code and last actions. This detail speeds diagnosis. If the control shows communication faults, inspect connectors and bus wiring next. If still unresolved, contact key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.